1 Minute English.
In this 1-minute lesson, we are going to have a look at the past continuous. The past continuous is used for an action that happened at a certain time. For the past continuous, we use someone or something, plus was, were, and an action with ing. For example, this is Mike. Yesterday at 7 a.m., Mike was brushing his teeth. At 10 a.m., he was working in the office. At 12 p.m., he was having lunch. At 2 p.m., he was giving a presentation. The past continuous is usually used at the beginning of a story. For example, Mike was talking to his friend when suddenly an apple fell on his head. Give it a go. Try making a sentence and leave it in the comments below.